Gvirtue XRT122 remote. This is a Vizio replacement remote from Amazon. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same Vizio replacement remote, check out the links below this video. This is a high quality Vizio replacement remote. For one reason or another, I've had to replace the remote a couple times on my Vizio 65-inch TV, and this is the perfect replacement. If you spill a drink on your remote, if your dog chews your remote or it breaks or anything, this is a very cheap, awesome way to replace your remote. This universal remote will work with most Vizio TVs, different sizes and different models, and it has all the functionality built into this one remote. If you click on the Amazon button or the Netflix button, it'll load up the application right away, and you can easily browse through all the different menus, the guide, info, everything automatically works right out of the package. I just ordered this replacement remote on Amazon. It was only a few dollars, and it works with the Vizio TV right away. I have a 65-inch TV by Vizio, and it works without any programming whatsoever. Just put in the batteries and start using this replacement remote right away. I'm very impressed with the quality of this remote. It has all the functionality you would need in a remote. You can play, pause, fast forward, rewind all your different channels. As I mentioned, it has the quick buttons for Amazon, Netflix, and so forth at the top. You can go into the guide, info, exit out of your menus, go volume up, down. There's a smart button in the very middle of the remote itself to load different applications. There's a couple yellow, blue, red, and green buttons that are interactive shortcut buttons as well. There's also a sleep button and the number buttons at the bottom to change the different channels. It uses a AA batteries, and as I mentioned, it's compatible with most Vizio TVs, so there's no programming needed whatsoever. If you like this quality replacement remote for Vizio for yourself, make sure to check out the links below this video, and you'll be very satisfied with this universal replacement remote for Vizio. Thanks for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more videos like this one, and liking and commenting if you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget that the links to the product mentioned in this video are below this video to get it the best possible price.